Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make tarragon aioli. You're not going to want to miss this. Well, if this is your first time watching, or if you just want to learn how to make wonderful food, then make sure you start by hitting that subscribe button right there in the corner, and then hitting that bell notification to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, you clicked on that video to see me make an aioli, so let's get in the kitchen and start making this aioli. I'm going to be using 1/3 cup of low-fat plain yogurt, 1/3 cup of reduced-fat mayonnaise, some 2 tablespoons of tarragon, 1 tablespoon of a shallot, 1 tablespoon of a garlic clove, 2 teaspoons of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of some Dijon mustard that's not pictured here, and then of course 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. Then we're going to blend all that up in a bowl and then chill it and then decide what we're going to put it on. So we'll be back. All right, well, I got some shallots and garlic here, fresh, that I'm going to dice up really fine, that we're going to throw into that aioli. And let's start mixing that, because everybody's seen me cut stuff before. All right, first thing we want to do is put 1/3 cup of plain yogurt. So there's about 1/3 cup of that. And then 1/3 cup, or equal parts, of the mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of the tarragon. And we're going to throw our fresh herbs in there. Our shallot and our garlic. And then 2 teaspoons of orange peel. This has already got some nice fragrance to it. Then it's got a teaspoon of Dijon in there. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this all up before I add the orange juice. Oh, this has got some nice fragrance to it. And it asks for 1/4 cup of OJ. Shaken. Use our whip. And I'm just going to hit it with some salt and pepper. I'm going to whip this up some more, and then I'm going to refrigerate it and let these flavors marry while we decide what to put it on. All right, now this aioli can be utilized in a number of different ways. It can be used as a sandwich spread. It can be used as a dip. It can be put on cooked vegetables, or it can be used as a topping for cooked meats as well. We are going to be using fresh green beans, and I'm going to take some fantastic pictures of this for social media, and then we're going to put that on the timeline with some music and come back and taste it and bid you adieu. So don't go away. All right, I'm gonna take one of these green beans here with the sauce on it, right there. Nice close-up of it. I'm going to have a bite of this and tell you how it tastes. All right, there is the aioli on there. You can see how thick and rich that is. It doesn't fall off that green bean. So, wow. You can taste the garlic right off the bat, and that tarragon Comes up right behind it. The blend of the mayonnaise and the blend of the mayonnaise and the yogurt is a very good idea. You can taste the zest in there. That would be good on a sandwich with some ham, I think, too. So thanks a lot for joining us today. We made a wonderful aioli. It's good in a lot of different ways. I hope you give it a try. It's got a lot of flavor and a lot of layers in there. Use it like you would a mayonnaise. It's very, very good. Check out the description box below. It will have the recipe for this aioli, and it will also have a couple other things that I think you should check out. If you have a YouTube channel, you need to go click this link, and if you want more views and more subscribers for your channel, then go ahead down there to that link called TubeBuddy and give it a click, and you will see a wonderful world out there of all the kinds of different ways to help your channel. I also have a link to one of my playlists that's got all kinds of different videos for all kinds of different subjects on how to start a YouTube cooking channel. It also has links to all my affiliates, so all the equipment that I use, all the Amazon affiliate links. If you like to know what equipment I use and where you can get it, check those links out too. And then the last one there is all my social media links and a link to my website and Etsy shop where I sell my fantastic blend of seasonings. So go check those out. And then, of course, I'd like you to subscribe if you have not done so already. Go ahead and hit that like button. Please leave a comment down below and then share this with everyone you know. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you next time right here on It's Only Food. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.